Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel World of Software Testing. So in this lecture, let's discuss about one more testing type, which is the error handling testing. So the error handling testing is a type of software testing that is performed to check whether the system is capable of or able to handle the errors that may happen in future or not. So the application is smart enough to identify the incorrect transactions and the approximate decision need to take and intimate the end user. The testing is performed by both developers as well as the testers. The error handling testing technique should include handling both errors and the exception scenarios. So we have this example here. So again, in error handling testing, we perform positive as well as negative testing to check whether the error is coming at the right time or not, with the valid input or not. So let's say if we are entering the invalid inputs here, then it should throw an error, and if we are entering the valid inputs, then the error should not be there. So for example, if we provide here, if we provide the invalid input, so here if you consider if you are providing the invalid email address, so this is invalid email address. If you provide it, it should throw an error message, and vice versa. If we provide the valid inputs to the application, then it should not throw any kind of error. So now this is basically the error it is showing, and this is the error message for the incorrect mobile number and email address. So also based on the kind of errors, they should throw some specific error messages so that it can be handled and fixed easily. So if you try to enter some different or maybe the invalid phone number or email address here, then the error message also should be something specific. So we should be able to understand the error, why the error is causing. So you can see here the email address or the mobile number you entered isn't connected to an account. Find your account and log in. So in this way, it should throw an error with some specific message, so that it should be easy to understand why the error is there. So let's say, for example, one more we have, if the error is because of the password. So let's say if we are entering the invalid password, but we are entering the valid email address, so it should not be like the same error message will be there. So there will be some specific message related to the password incorrect. So there should not be a error message related to email address and mobile number. So in this way, this is one of the example of error handling testing. So with the valid inputs, so basically there will be four possibilities. With the valid inputs, application throws an error. So the second one is with the valid input, application don't throw an error, which is expected. Invalid input, application throws an error. With the invalid inputs, application don't throw an error. So so this kind of testing we perform in case of the error handling testing. So what are the objective of error handling testing? Why we perform the error handling testing? So what is the purpose of error handling testing? So the error handling we perform to check the system ability to handle errors. So with the invalid inputs, there should be an error. There should be there should be an error from the system to check the system at highest soak point. Then to make sure the errors can be handled properly by the system in future, and again to do the system capable of execution handling also. So these are some of the objectives of error handling testing. Let's see some of the advantages and disadvantages of the error handling testing. So the error handling testing helps us to construct to an error handling powered software, and it always makes the software ready for all the circumstances. So in case if the error is there, then it should throw an error so that the user can understand why the error is causing, and if the input is invalid, then there should not be any error. It develops the exception handling technique in the software, and it helps in maintenance of the software as well. So these are the advantages of error handling testing. So disadvantages includes it is not a budget friendly testing, as both the developing and testing team is involved, and then the testing effort is high in case of error handling testing. So that's it all about the exception handling testing or error handling testing. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed watching it. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you so much.